You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these retail brand, originally from France, French headquartered, at least in French. Therefore, we're going to get to how to can say it in English. In French, Leroy Merlin, Leroy Merlin. In English, Leroy Merlin, Leroy Merlin. Some say it as Leroy Merlin. How do you say it yourself? I'd be curious. It'd be interesting to know. Let us know in the comments. Thanks. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.